beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. To my new and old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you this amazing recipe you no longer need to worry about. Oh yes, using too much oil when you want to fry your puff puff. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fry or make your puff puff with less or no oil. Yes, so first, let me introduce you to the list of ingredients needed for this wonderful recipe, and let's get started. Here we have some sugar, flour, vegetable oil for the frying, cinnamon powder. You can as well use vanilla extract or use skip, dry yeast, pinch of salt, water. I will be using lukewarm water. Okay, next I started by mixing all the dry ingredients in a bowl. Add the flour, sugar, dry yeast. I added my cinnamon powder because it is packed with a lot of healthy benefits like breaking down the sugar and enhance flavor. Okay, so next I'll be adding in my pinch of salt. Mix to combine. Once done, you can go in with your washed hands, okay? Just the way I'm doing it here. Mix it very well. Add a little water bit by bit. Remember, we are using lukewarm water, okay? Keep mixing until you get your desired consistency. When there's racing in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know, fit ginger. You go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you did. As you can see here, I have gotten my desired consistency. Okay, so the next is to cover and set aside for an hour to let it double in size. Okay, so guys, if you have watched up to this point, it means you like our recipes. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Enjoy yourself, follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you. 1 hour later, as you can see, our batter has doubled in size. Go ahead and open it up. Once that is done, go ahead and use a spoon and turn it, or you can as well use your hands. Okay, now let's get to the interesting part of the video. So guys, I'm showing you this vegetable oil because we are not going to use half of it. Okay, so now heat up your non-stick cooking cake pan and drizzle some oil on it to make it greasy in order to avoid the batter sticking on it. This has to be done on a low heat. Okay, once the pot is heated, scoop in the batter into the pot holes and let it fry on low heat, guys, so you don't end up with outside cooked and inside uncooked. Okay, Belle de ton stomach de rumble.
When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know, fit ginger. You go humble your
Once you notice that the bottom is turning brown, flip over to the other side to fry until it turns brown, as you can see here on the screen, okay?
Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you. And they put score we active. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Mobajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need.
Once my puff puff is done, I will scoop it out and set aside. So I'll continue the same process until I am done using up the batter.
Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you. And they put score we active.
I will be dropping the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Where are my puff puff lovers? You stop eating puff puff because of the quantity of oil being used when frying, right? Don't worry. This recipe got you covered. Try it out. I bet you on this, you will never stop asking for more, okay? Our puff puff is ready. This tasted so super delicious, and the most interesting part of it is that no oil is trapped in it. Yeah, it is oilless. Can you see how fluffy? So yummy. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? Wow, you need to try Alice's recipe. Will you be trying this out? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Enjoy with any chill drink of your choice. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Remain blessed. Bye.
You know who to call. Mobajodo.